away pretty good. Beautiful area. How y'all doing? Welcome to Marsh Mechanic again. I'm Kelly. I'm gonna try to do some teal hunting this morning, maybe some fishing, and let's see what we can get into. Thanks. All right, 5 hours later, I'm set up. Jeez. Shooting time in 4 minutes. Alright, I think we're good to go. Got a new little spot that I scoped out. Show you all my setup here. Got this behind me. Oh. Couldn't look any prettier back here with the grass and everything. Just need some birds. Seen a few more birds than last week, that's for sure. Hear a lot more shots going off around here. But nothing right here yet. It's a gorgeous spot, tell you that. Grass. I got cover behind me. A little cover in front of me. Just waiting on the teal. That's it. I'm hearing a lot more shots than I heard last week. I saw a few birds, but nothing's come in here. I'm in a beautiful spot, though, I'll tell you that. Beautiful spot. Got cover all around the boat. Grass. I don't know what's wrong. I'm just ready for big duck season. Yeah, tucked away pretty good. Beautiful area. This guy's sitting right here with me. Need some birds. That's it. There's a bird right there, but we don't want him. Got this little guy right here. Spread. Right behind the boat, got this. Love it. I don't think the teal like it though, for some reason. That's where I usually hunt. You can see the little bit of the duck line over there. So, I'm not that far away from where I usually hunt. Pretty area right here. All these years I never came back here. So. Well, no teal yet. Beautiful spot though. A lot of grass. Cover right behind the boat. I mean, I can pull this back up. We'll see. I'm ready for big ducks. I'm not sure what this noise is. I'm guessing an alligator. I never heard him make a noise like that. Any of y'all know what this is? It was louder a little while ago. There it is. Any of y'all know what that is? I'm guessing an alligator. I've never heard him make that noise before. But what do I know? Either that or a mutant nutria. Can y'all hear that? What is that noise? What's making that noise? If y'all could hear that, tell me what that, whatever kind of animal is making that noise. I think they're everywhere. Is that an alligator? I mean, I never heard an alligator make a noise like that unless it just... Tell you what, I've been seeing some bass at the top of the water. Try this little bait right here. A couple of casts while I'm sitting here. Oh, don't throw too far. Try that again. Throw it over here. Got a nice spread out here though. Pretty area. Got this right behind the line right here. So I'm just ready for big duck season. It's too hot out here to hunt. Got these hot clothes? Go try to catch some fish. I got him. I missed him. Oop. You did good, buddy. I don't know how many more seasons you're gonna be around. think your time is limited. I got everything squared away. We're gonna go see if we can catch some fish. First, I'm gonna eat a little lunch. Got a bag of fried fish, a little fried croaker and catfish, homemade tartar sauce. Dip that in there a little bit. Look at that. Can't beat that. All right, y'all. Just sitting here, eating my lunch. Cook something. This is like 4-pound test line. I can at least see what it is. There he comes. Oh, let me see it. Still didn't see it. Come on. God dang it. Ah. Shoot. You gotta get right under the tree. Oop, not in the tree. Pretty little catfish. Pretty. Okay. Oh man, big old catfish. Nice one. In my net. Oh yeah, nice one. I'm not breaking it. He's gonna break it. He's gonna break it. Come here. Oh man, nice one. Oh yeah, come here. Ah, my fault. I tried to rush him in. It took my time. Let me straighten my hook out. I don't know if I filmed catching him or not. Nice old catfish. Alright, man, another move out here. Anytime. Nice croaker. Dude ate it. Oh, man. Nice. Is it ever gonna cool off this year? This guy ain't worried about me at all. Just swimming along right next to me. The smallest speckled trout in the world. There you go, buddy. Oh, pretty though. The spots in that guy. Male. Hear him croaking? Oh, making noise. How y'all doing? Didn't really turn out the way I wanted it to today. I could have gotten maybe a couple shots off in desperation if I really wanted to get a couple teal, but I don't know. Going home with about 5 catfish, about 3 or 4 croaker, enough for a little fish fry. I don't know what that noise was out there while I was hunting. Maybe y'all could tell me. I'm pretty sure it was an alligator, but I never heard him make that noise before. Scouted out some new places. Looking forward to big duck season. Y'all have a good week and a good weekend. Thanks for watching.